If you want to learn how to add text to a box in Canva, you are in the right place. I'm going to teach you that because this is one of the basic graphic design skills you should learn when using this tool. In fact, text in a box can make your words stand out and help people see what you want to say. You can also use different colors to make your design look nice. This is a good way to make your ideas pop. So, let me show you two simple ways to do it in Canva, and the second method is the easiest. First, open Canva and start a new design. Then, use the Type tool to type any text you want. Once done, look for the Elements button on the left side. Here, click on Shapes in the Elements menu. Pick a shape you like. A square or rectangle works well for text. In the next step, click on the shape and drag it to your project and make it bigger or smaller. It all depends on the size of your text. Then, take the shape and use it to cover the entire text. Now, it's time to change the shape's position if needed. This can be done by clicking on it and selecting the position option from the upper menu bar. Click backward until the box is below the text. That's it, you just add a text in the box. You can easily change the colors for both the text and the box, which is pretty cool. The second method I'm going to show you is very simple. Let's assume you already have a text in your project. Then, click on Text and go to the Elements option in the upper menu bar. Here, under the Style section, select the Background option. With this action, you are adding a background around your text. You can also adjust the roundness of the corners, the spread around the text, the transparency of the background, and the color. And as I mentioned earlier, this method is the simplest. So, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more tricks in Canva, watch the next video and subscribe to the channel.